The best day of your life is the day you decide your life is your own. No apologies or excuses. This is the day your life really begins, but it will require enormous willpower. This means being able to resist temptation, staying motivated, overcoming self-doubt, and replacing negative self-talk. For willpower requires strength, self-control, and discipline. Know that we all have willpower, and we all use it to some extent. But we can improve and train our willpower to achieve our goals. Because willpower is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. For it requires consistency, cultivating positive habits, delaying gratification, and developing self-awareness. As willpower is the strength of mind to carry out our goals and to live life on our own terms. For willpower is key to your success. Thank you for viewing our inspirational video and feel good. But don't forget to subscribe, and remember, where there is a will, there is a way.